In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Autofit in a column in Excel 2026. If you've ever had text cut off or columns that are way too wide, Autofit is the quickest way to make your spreadsheet clean and readable. It automatically adjusts the width of your columns so they fit the longest entry in each one. No guessing or dragging required. Start by opening the Excel app and the workbook you want to clean up. Make sure the sheet with the data you want to adjust is active. You don't need to change any settings for this. Autofit is built right in and works the same way across most Excel layouts. Now, choose the column you want to adjust. Click directly on the column header, the letter at the top of the column. If you want to adjust more than one column at the same time, click and drag across the headers to select a range. You'll see the selected headers highlight, confirming you've got the right columns. This is great when you're tidying an entire table or several related fields at once. With your column selected, move your mouse to the right edge of any selected column header. You're aiming for the boundary line between two column letters. As you hover over that boundary, your cursor will change to a horizontal double-headed arrow. That arrow is your cue that Excel is ready to resize the column. Once you see the double-headed arrow, double-click the left mouse button. Instantly, Excel will snap the column, or all the selected columns, to the perfect width based on their contents. Long entries will be fully visible, short ones won't waste space, and your sheet will look much more professional. If you selected multiple columns, you only need to double-click on one of the selected boundaries. Excel will apply Autofit to the entire selection. If nothing seems to happen, check that your pointer is exactly on the boundary line and that the columns you want are selected. Also remember that wrapped text or merged cells can affect how widths appear. Autofit sizes to the longest visible content in each column, so extra spaces or unusually long values can make a column wider than expected. A quick note, you can always fine-tune manually by dragging that same boundary left or right to set a custom width. But when you want fast, consistent results, the double-click Autofit is the most efficient option. And that's it. Open Excel, select your columns, hover until you see the double-headed arrow, and double-click to Autofit. Your data will look clean, aligned, and easy to read in seconds.